Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module I want to show you how you can use a simple lookup to give you some grade scores for students. So if I change this score, for example, to 99, this guy gets an A grade. If I change this to 33, this guy fails. So this is just a simple lookup which I'm going to recreate at the top there. So if I just copy this stuff and push it over to the other side so you can see how it works. Control C, copy, just put it into column D, Control V, paste, and then I'll copy these. Control C, copy, just put it over here, paste, and the actual scores as well, copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is, before I start doing the formula, I'm going to name some of these lists. So this list I'm going to name as grade. So I'll just click into the name box and type grade, press enter, and then I'll name this one, click into the name box, range. That's going to be called range, and then this one can be called score. So those are three names. You don't have to name them, but if you don't name things you'll have to use dollar signs. So now the lookup that I'm going to use is going to pick out this score, look at this list, and then give it whatever that would relate to. So if I type equals lookup, so it's not a VLOOKUP, it's just a straightforward lookup, and I'm going into that cell is my lookup cell, but I can type score there, so I am going to type score there because I've named that as score. Then I want to look at this list, range, which I've called it range, comma, when it finds that score in this range it'll give me the grade. So I'll type grade, close the bracket, click the tick. So that's given me the A grade, which that is correct, and if I pull that down all these then match up, and I'll just check that by going 34 there, that should be a fail. If I do 99 there, that should be an A grade. So that's how you can create a simple scoring system using a straightforward lookup and three little named lists. You don't have to use named ranges, you could just use dollar signs, but you would have to lock them before you would be able to pull that down. So hopefully this has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.